Welcome to Calgary, a city that truly comes alive when winter casts its enchanting spell. Here, the crisp air and glistening snow transform the urban landscape into a breathtaking wonderland. Let Bella Access take you to a place where the spirit of the season is not just endured, but celebrated with open arms. Please subscribe to our channel if you've not done so. You are assured of exciting videos. Calgary's winter essence is a testament to its resilience, a vibrant energy that thrives even in the coldest months. The city embraces the chill, turning every snowfall into an opportunity for beauty and adventure. It's a unique blend of urban sophistication and natural grandeur. Please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Do not forget to click on the notification bell. Under a blanket of pristine white, Calgary reveals a different kind of beauty, one that is both serene and invigorating. The familiar cityscape takes on a magical quality, inviting exploration and wonder. This transformation is a hallmark of the season here. This journey offers a captivating glimpse into Calgary's heart, showcasing how its people and places adapt and flourish. We explore the warmth found within its communities and the joy discovered in its winter activities. It's a story of connection and celebration. We will feature iconic landmarks, each standing proudly amidst the winter scenery, telling tales of history and progress. These structures become even more striking when framed by snow and ice. They are beacons of the city's enduring spirit. Join us as we illustrate the defining seasonal activities that make winter in Calgary so special. From thrilling outdoor sports to cozy indoor retreats, there is something for everyone to cherish. Discover the vibrant pulse of a city that truly loves its winter. Our journey begins with a panoramic view of downtown Calgary, where snow-covered streets and buildings create a quintessential winter scene. The city's architecture stands in stark contrast to the soft white landscape. It's a picture of urban tranquility. The crisp air evokes a profound sense of peace, a quiet hush that settles over the bustling metropolis. This unique atmosphere invites contemplation and appreciation for the season's beauty. It's a moment of calm in the heart of the city. Glistening snow adds a unique urban charm, transforming familiar avenues into sparkling pathways. Every corner seems to hold a new discovery, reflecting the winter light in dazzling displays. The city truly shines under this seasonal adornment. Next, we turn our attention to Studio Bell, the National Music Center, a marvel of modern architecture. Its sleek lines and contemporary design create a striking contrast with the soft, undulating winter landscape. It's a visual symphony of form and nature. The building's unique structure, framed by snow, forms a visually striking composition that captivates the eye. It stands as a testament to innovative design. This magnificent building captures an inviting atmosphere, drawing people in from the winter chill. Its warm interior offers a comforting refuge, a place where stories and ideas flourish. It's a true community treasure. The library suggests a place of warmth and knowledge amidst the cold, a sanctuary for learning and connection. It embodies the spirit of intellectual curiosity and communal engagement. It's a testament to Calgary's commitment to its citizens. Bonus Park is a beloved recreational area, a vibrant hub of winter activity for families and friends. Its expansive grounds transform into a snowy playground, offering endless opportunities for outdoor fun. It's a cherished community space. The park captures the pure joy of winter activities, from leisurely strolls to energetic games in the snow. Laughter and excitement fill the air, creating a festive and welcoming atmosphere. It's a place where memories are made. Families gather here, building snowmen with rosy-cheeked children, their creations adding whimsical charm to the landscape. The simple pleasure of playing in the snow brings generations together. It's a heartwarming scene of togetherness. Bonus Park offers a refreshing escape from the urban hustle, a natural oasis within the city limits. Its tranquil setting provides a perfect backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. It's a breath of fresh air. The park's natural beauty is profoundly enhanced by the snow, transforming its trees and pathways into a picturesque wonderland. Every vista is a postcard-perfect scene, inviting admiration and appreciation. It's a truly stunning location. Ice skating stands out as a quintessential winter activity in Calgary, a beloved pastime for all ages. The city boasts numerous rinks, both indoor and outdoor, inviting everyone to glide across the ice. It's a tradition that brings joy. Skaters glide gracefully across the frozen surfaces, their movements adding a dynamic and elegant element to the winter scene. The rhythmic swish of blades creates a soothing soundtrack to the season. It's a beautiful display of movement. This activity underscores the city's enthusiastic embrace of winter recreation, turning cold temperatures into an opportunity for active enjoyment. Calgary truly knows how to make the most of its snowy months. It's a city that celebrates the outdoors. Ice skating provides wonderful opportunities for fun and enjoyment, whether you are a seasoned pro or a beginner taking your first tentative glides. It's a chance to connect with friends and family in a lively setting. It's pure winter delight. The communal spirit on the ice is palpable, with people of all skill levels sharing the joy of movement. It fosters a sense of camaraderie and shared experience. It's a vibrant part of Calgary's winter identity. iWinter, the museums offer a warm and engaging experience, inviting visitors to explore history and comfort. The quiet contemplation within its halls contrasts beautifully with the brisk outdoor air. It's an enriching destination year-round. The Calgary Tower remains an iconic symbol of the city's distinctive skyline, a recognizable landmark that proudly pierces the sky. Its elegant silhouette is a constant presence, guiding residents and visitors alike. It's a true urban beacon. The city below, blanketed in snow, appears as a miniature wonderland, sparkling under the winter sun. The intricate patterns of streets and buildings are beautifully highlighted. It's a perspective that inspires awe. The Calgary Tower provides a fitting finale to our visual journey, encapsulating the grandeur and beauty of winter in this remarkable city. It's a vantage point that brings all our observations into sharp focus. It's the perfect concluding image. It stands as a proud emblem of Calgary's progress and spirit, a reminder of its vibrant past and promising future. The tower symbolizes the city's upward trajectory and enduring ambition. It's a powerful statement of identity. Calgary in winter is more than just a season. It is an experience, a celebration of resilience, beauty, and community. The city transforms into a captivating realm where every snowflake tells a story. It's a truly magical time. This overall celebration of Calgary's winter spirit invites everyone to discover the unique charm and warmth found within its snowy embrace. It's a testament to a city that thrives in every season. Come and experience the wonder for yourself. If you've not subscribed to Bella Access, please do so. The city offers an unparalleled blend of urban vibrancy and breathtaking natural beauty. Here, the pulse of a modern metropolis coexists harmoniously with the serene grandeur of its surroundings. This duality creates an experience unlike any other, where city life meets wilderness. Nestled gracefully in the foothills of the majestic Canadian Rockies, Calgary's location is truly special. The proximity to these iconic mountains shapes its climate and its character. It provides a constant reminder of the vast, untamed beauty that lies just beyond its borders. Calgary embraces the cold with a resilient and welcoming spirit. Rather than retreating from winter, the city finds ways to celebrate it, turning chilly days into opportunities for joy and activity. This inherent strength defines the local approach to the colder months. Even when completely blanketed in pristine snow, Calgary remains a fascinating destination. The crisp air and hushed landscapes add a layer of magic to everyday life. It's a time when the city's beauty is amplified, offering unique perspectives and memorable moments. Downtown Calgary pulsates with an undeniable energy. even when fresh powder blankets the streets. The core of the city remains a hub of activity, demonstrating its enduring vitality. Life continues with a distinct winter rhythm full of purpose and movement. Office workers navigate the snowy sidewalks with practiced ease. Their daily commute becomes a testament to the city's unwavering commitment to its routines. Each step contributes to the vibrant tapestry of downtown life, even amidst the chill. These dedicated individuals are often bundled warmly in thick coats and cozy hats. Their attire reflects both the necessity of the season and a certain stylish resilience. It's a common sight that speaks to the practical elegance of winter in the city. Their determined strides through the winter landscape reflect the city's strong work ethic. There is a sense of purpose and forward momentum that permeates the downtown core. This collective drive is a hallmark of Calgary's industrious spirit. Stephen Avenue Walk, a pedestrian thoroughfare, transforms into a truly picturesque scene during winter. It becomes a central stage for the city's festive spirit and daily life. The avenue invites leisurely strolls and moments of quiet appreciation. The avenue features an array of twinkling lights that adorn trees and buildings. These luminous decorations cast a warm, inviting glow across the snow-covered path. They add a touch of enchantment to the urban environment, especially as dusk settles. Stephen Avenue Walk also showcases the city's impressive snow-dusted architecture. Historic buildings and modern structures alike take on a new character under a blanket of white. The intricate details of their design are highlighted by the soft, diffused light. Together, these elements create a wonderfully festive atmosphere throughout downtown. The combination of lights, snow, and bustling activity fosters a sense of community and cheer. It's a place where the joy of the season is palpable and shared. Olympic Plaza stands as a proud legacy of the 1988 Winter Olympics, a testament to Calgary's sporting history. This iconic public space continues to serve as a focal point for community gatherings. It embodies the spirit of athleticism and celebration. The plaza often hosts a variety of engaging winter events, drawing crowds from across the city. From cultural festivals to sporting demonstrations, there is always something happening. It remains a vibrant center for seasonal entertainment and public enjoyment. Its expansive open space provides a truly beautiful backdrop for these activities. The clear, unobstructed views allow for grand spectacles and intimate moments alike. It's a versatile area that adapts wonderfully to different winter celebrations. Olympic Plaza is particularly ideal for ice skating, offering a beloved seasonal activity for all ages. The smooth ice invites graceful glides and joyful laughter, creating cherished memories. It's a quintessential winter experience in the heart of the city. Beyond skating, the plaza accommodates many other seasonal activities. Families gather for snowball fights, friends enjoy warm beverages, and visitors simply soak in the festive ambiance. It's a place where winter fun comes alive for everyone. The roads in Alberta and within Calgary are remarkably well maintained, even during the harshest winter conditions. Dedicated crews work tirelessly to ensure pathways remain clear and safe. This commitment to infrastructure is vital for daily life. However, winter driving always requires an extra measure of caution and attentiveness. The changing conditions demand a heightened awareness from every driver. Safety on the roads is a shared responsibility that begins with individual care. Snow-covered streets demand an adapted speed, encouraging drivers to slow down and be deliberate. Rushing through winter conditions can be hazardous, so patience is key. A gentle approach ensures a safer journey for everyone on the road. Drivers must be especially mindful of icy patches, which can appear unexpectedly. These slick surfaces require careful steering and braking to maintain control. Vigilance is essential to navigate the subtle dangers of winter roads. The city's infrastructure handles significant snowfall effectively, demonstrating robust planning and execution. Snow removal teams work around the clock to clear major routes and residential streets. This efficiency minimizes disruption and keeps the city moving. This effective management ensures that essential services and daily commutes remain accessible. It's a place where learning and nature intertwine. Students traverse the campus, often wrapped snugly in warm clothing, heading to classes or study sessions. Their presence adds a dynamic human element to the quiet winter landscape. Each individual journey contributes to the campus's vibrant rhythm. Their youthful energy adds a unique spark to the snowy surroundings. The sight of students laughing, chatting, and hurrying across campus brings life to the serene white expanse. It's a reminder of growth and discovery in every season. This combination of thoughtful design and natural beauty creates a truly visually appealing scene. The campus becomes a tranquil yet inspiring place for education and contemplation. It's a testament to the enduring charm of winter in an academic setting. Calgary offers numerous opportunities for a truly memorable winter drive, extending beyond the city limits. The surrounding landscapes transform into breathtaking vistas, inviting exploration. Each journey promises a unique perspective on the season. The city's close proximity to the majestic Canadian Rockies provides breathtaking views of snow-capped peaks. These towering giants stand as silent sentinels, inspiring awe and wonder. Their grandeur is a constant, magnificent presence. Within the city limits, Calgary's extensive parks and pathways offer stunning vistas of their own. These green spaces, now draped in white, become serene havens for quiet reflection. They showcase the intimate beauty of winter close to home. These areas truly showcase the profound beauty of the winter season in all its glory. The crisp air, the hushed landscapes, and the sparkling snow create an atmosphere of peaceful enchantment. It's a time when nature's artistry is on full display. Options abound, from leisurely drives along scenic routes to brisk walks through snow-covered parks. Whether seeking adventure or tranquility, there is an experience for every preference. Each choice offers a unique way to connect with the winter charm. Every moment spent here becomes a cherished memory. This vibrant urban life, set against a backdrop of winter splendor, results in a truly captivating destination. Calgary embraces the cold, transforming it into an opportunity for beauty, activity, and connection. It is a city that truly shines when blanketed in snow. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like and share. Don't forget to leave your comments.